I did not feel offended at all. The word quality, the definition of the word quality is subjective. What may be quality to you may not be quality to me. Diba? Kaya hindi tayo pwede magtalo-talo. Yan ang quality, hindi mang quality, ito ang quality. Hindi pwede. Basta lahat kami naniniwala. Ako, I personally believe that quality, that for me, quality is achieved when you give the people what their money is worth. When you give the people what they want to have and what they want to feel after watching that movie. Quality, masasabi mong quality, kung paglabas ng sinihan, nakuha ng tao yung gusto niyang makuha pagkatapos ng pelikulang yun. Yun ang quality. At nararamdaman ko na my movies were all quality dahil yung gustong maramdaman ng mga taong saya at tawa bago sila pumasok ng sinihan, nakuha nila paglabas ng sinihan hanggang sa pag-uwi nila at pumunta sila sa gusto nilang punta.
Very well said, Miss Philippines!
All one.
Ang reaction din sa nagsasabi na magsasurvive ang MMFF without movies from big franchise.